हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम टू प्रयोगशाला। दिस इज रोहित शर्मा एंड आज की वीडियो में हम क्लास 10th का साइंस स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। ठीक है, सो क्लास 10 साइंस में आपका सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर फिजिक्स का लाइट रिफ्लेक्शन और रिफ्रैक्शन, इसके बारे में बात करेंगे। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आप लोगों को ये बोलूंगा, प्रयोगशाला चैनल पे आपको स्टडी मटेरियल, एनसीईआरटी सॉल्यूशंस, एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन, रेगुलर टेस्ट, असाइनमेंट, क्विजेस, everything will be available to you. So please like, share the video and subscribe the channel. ओके, जिससे नेक्स्ट वीडियो का आपको नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिले और आप सबसे पहले देख सकें। ठीक है, सो नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज लाइट? सो लाइट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी। हमें मालूम लाइट एक टाइप की एनर्जी है। लाइट क्या हेल्प कर रही है? लाइट इज नीडेड टू सी थिंग्स अराउंड अस। लाइट enables us to see objects from which it comes or from which it is reflected. सपोज अगर आप अपने घर पे बैठे हो, ठीक है, सो अगर इवनिंग का टाइम है, इस टाइम पे सन नहीं है आपका, ठीक है, इवनिंग टाइम है, नाइट टाइम है, तो अगर आपको ऑब्जेक्ट्स को देखना है, अपने आसपास के ऑब्जेक्ट्स को, तो क्या होता है, आप बल्ब ऑन करते हो, अपने घर का लाइट ऑन करते हो। लाइट ऑन करने के बाद वो जो लाइट है आपके ऑब्जेक्ट पे पड़ती है, वो रिफ्लेक्ट होके आपके आईज में पड़ती है, तब आपको वो ऑब्जेक्ट, आप पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट को देख सकते हैं। सो दिस इज द फिनोमेना ऑफ लाइट, दिस इज द फिनोमेना ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट by which you can see objects. Next is what is luminous and non-luminous object. There are two types of objects. First is luminous and non-luminous objects. तो luminous objects क्या होते हैं? Luminous objects वो होते हैं जिनकी अपनी खुद की लाइट है, जो अपने those objects which can emit their own light. The objects like sun, stars, electric bulbs, tube light, torch, candle, fire, etc., which emit their own light are called luminous objects. For next is non-luminous object. Non-luminous objects क्या होते हैं? Those objects which do not emit light themselves but only reflect. That means they only reflect the light which falls on them. Those are non-luminous objects, and examples are flower, bed, mirror, and table. Now we will talk about the nature of light. So there are two theories related to light. First is your wave theory and second is your particle theory. Okay. So in detail you will study about this in class 11th or 12th, but here wave theory of light, introduction to wave theory of light. According to wave theory, light consists of electromagnetic waves. जो light है हमारी electromagnetic waves से light consists of electromagnetic waves which do not require a material medium for their propagation. For example, अगर मैं बात करूँ sound के लिए एक medium requirement है, that is sound के लिए air की requirement है flow करने के लिए। साउंड तभी मतलब साउंड को एक ट्रेवल करने के लिए एक मीडियम की रिक्वायरमेंट है, दैट इज एयर। बट लाइट को ट्रेवल करने के लिए किसी मीडियम की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, चाहे सॉलिड हो, लिक्विड और गैस हो। ठीक है, इट कैन ट्रेवल एवरीवेयर। सो लाइट कंसिस्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स। व्हाट इज पार्टिकल थ्योरी ऑफ लाइट? पार्टिकल थ्योरी ऑफ लाइट सेज दैट लाइट composed of particles which travel in a straight line at a very high speed. Next is what is the phenomena behind the reflection of light? The process of sending back the light rays which falls on the surface of an object is called reflection of light. Suppose this is the surface of object. Okay, now this here you are sending the light and the light will get reflected. So this is known as the reflection of light. Okay, next, the objects having polished shining surface reflects more light as compared to the objects having dull and unpolished surface. Okay, last point, that is silver metal, that is Ag. Silver metal is one of the best reflectors of light. Next one is reflection of light from plane surfaces, that is plane mirror. Okay, so before discussing these points we have to see this diagram. So this is a mirror, plane surface, this is a mirror. Okay, so here the light is fallen onto this surface, this is known as the point of incidence, and this ray of light, this beam of light, this is known as incident ray, and from here this point of incidence it reflects back. Okay, so this is the reflected ray, and the angle between the normal, this is the normal angle between the incident ray and the normal is known as angle of incidence, and the angle between the reflected ray and the angle of reflected ray and normal is known as angle of reflection. Now we will study those points. First, the ray of light which falls on the mirror surface is known as incident ray, that we have studied. Okay, the point at which the incident ray fall on the mirror is called point of incidence, correct. The ray of light which is sent back by the mirror is known as reflected ray. The normal is a line at right angle to this is the normal, okay, to the mirror surface at the point of incidence. Last, the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection. So angle of incidence is the angle made by the incident ray and the normal, and the angle of reflection is the angle made by the reflected ray and the point of incidence. So first law of reflection. What is first law of reflection? They are saying the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Second, the angle of reflection. The angle of reflection is always equal to the angle of incidence. Next is what are the two types of reflection? Regular reflection and diffuse reflection. So in regular reflection, a parallel beam of incident light is reflected as a parallel beam in one direction. Okay, here parallel beam of lights are there and they are reflected in the same direction only. This is known as regular reflection, and this only occur when there are smooth surfaces like that of plane mirror. Now diffuse reflection is also known as irregular reflection, and here the parallel beam of incident light is reflected in different direction, because here we are using the surface or the object surfaces are rough like paper, cardboard, chalks and wall. Last topic, that is objects and images. So anything which gives out light is known as object, either its own or reflected by it. For example, bulb, candle, arrow or face, our face or a tree. Image, what is image? Image is an optical appearance produced when light rays coming from an object are reflected from a mirror or through a lens. Example, when we look into a mirror, this we can see. Last, what is real image and what is virtual image? So real image are those image which can be obtained on a screen. Suppose अगर आप मूवी देखने जा रहे हो किसी हॉल के अंदर, जो सिनेमा स्क्रीन पे आप इमेज देखते हो उसे हम रियल इमेज बोलते हैं. अगर हम वर्चुअल इमेज की बात करते हैं तो ये आप घर पे भी देख सकते हो, दैट इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर प्लेन मिरर. जब आप अपना फेस देखते हो इसको हम वर्चुअल इमेज बोलते हैं. द इमेज विच कैन नॉट बी obtained on a screen is known as virtual image. ठीक है, तो आज की वीडियो में सिर्फ इतना ही. ठीक है, इससे रिलेटेड कोई भी डाउट हो तो प्लीज आस्क मी इन द यूट्यूब डिस्क्रिप्शन. एंड ओके देन, टेक केयर. वी विल मीट इन अ नेक्स्ट video. Okay, till then subscribe the channel for more videos. Bye. Take